The contour tool is one of the interactive tools that can give you an object blend, and that is way cool, and you want to use it all the time. So if you want to see that, stay with me. By the way, my name is Amin from Aminet Media. Let's look into the contour tool. So how does the contour tool work? I'm going to delete the subject here so that we see how it works. Alright, let me create a new polygon right here. Okay, put it here. So I'm going to fill it with a color. Let me fill it with this one. So using this contour tool, it can help you create a series of shapes that are radiating into or outward an object. Alright, so if I click from the inside right now to the outside, I don't want that to be too big. Okay, reduce the size of the object so that I can increase it more. So go back to my contour tool. So if you look into this object right now, if you notice there are about 200 other shapes, other radiations, like an array of this polygon that are moving outward this original object. Alright, so how do I know that? It's saying 200 right here. So if I shift this, it's going to reduce it radically. So you see more right here. It's only 18 radiations, alright, arrays of extra object moving out. Okay, so either you shift it to achieve anything you want to achieve, like this, okay, or you increase it to make it look more beautiful. Alright, so I can actually increase it. Alright, I promised us that I'll be showing us how to create something like looks like a tunnel. Alright, so this is one of the shapes you can use. This is looking like something you can stairs you can walk through. You can put a door here, alright, while doing your illustration, but I'm still going to show us that tunnel. Alright, this is moving it outside. Now I'm going to undo this. So I'm going to click from the outside to the inside. Alright, it's giving us that same thing. You can actually always reduce effect of a contour. You can remove this the outline of the contour to get more wonderful design. Alright, so you can see those waves of contour around it. You can use it to make something like this. So I can change this color right here to a yellow. I can change it to a black. Alright, so you can just joke around with it and know what you can get. So if you want to change the color that is inside of this, this is the way you change it. The fill color, that's the fill color. Right, you can change it to anything you want. Alright, so it's looking more lovely. You can actually use this to create flower-like demonstration or illustration. So this is just the simple way the contour tool works. You can toggle within all these things and how they actually help you do some great things. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I created that that effect of a clickable polygon, right, that has edges, like an embossed edge around it. So how did I do that? Now I'm going to move this. See, it's looking like moving it. Now it looks like something like that has been embossed, right? So you can actually change the color to anything you want. Let me change it to blue. It was blue before. Then let me change the main color to a black. So that is it. So let's get to the bonus design that I said I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so I'm going to go back to my pick tool and delete the subject. Pick a rectangle. So you already know how to use a contour tool. Just drag it, pick your contour tool, click from the inside to the outside, and your design is coming up. Alright, I'm going to increase that a little more. So go back to the contour tool. I'm going to remove the outline and put the fill. Alright, so it's showing this is not the kind of fill I wanted to show, so I'm going to change it. I wanted to show something like is that is a little bit deep, so I'm going to change it here. Okay, don't worry about that. Let's change the normal one. All right, so I'm going to go back to pick 2 and adjust it a little bit. All right, move it around. Go back to my contour tool and reduce it more so that it shows the depth more. Okay, so I'm going to add another triangle over it to create a brick-like effect. So once I'm going to go back to my contour tool, click the triangle that I just added, move it out to the outer part of it. All right, so I've created a brick-like looking whatever it is. So I'm going to give it a color. Go back to the contour tool. I'm going to adjust it a little bit more. Let it become thinner. Okay. There you have it. A tunnel-like looking object. Alright. So if you found this video interesting, please do give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notifications when we post new videos. See you in the next video, guys.